and making the sofa bed. So I pulled all the cushions off. The bed's ready to pull out. And pull it up. You grab here. You pull this handle right there. And then flop the mattress over. Alright. Ignore the markings on the mattress. They no longer matter because it's now inflated with a hand pedestal. The pedestal, the hand control is right here. This is all plugged in. You can see the cords there, and the outlet is up here. If this comes unplugged, you'll probably need to lay on the bed to plug it in, and you have to do it by feel. Okay, to inflate the bed, grab our pedestal, or our control. I don't know why I say pedestal. Press inflate. Just press it once, it goes on its own. Doesn't look like much happening, does it? But there we go, it's inflating. You can see it fully coming up. Once it's fully inflated, and you'll know that because the sound will change. I think it's changed at this point. You hit the stop button. And the bed's all ready to go, and it's very firm. One other thing you can do with this bed that I just discovered when I was replacing it is if you grab this frame right here and pull it up, you raise the headboard a little bit, and if you pull it up again, it ratchets back down. So that's a very nice little feature. Alright, so when you get ready to make this bed, you hit deflate. You can also hit deflate for just a second to make it a little softer. Go ahead and hit deflate. And you have to wait until this is fully deflated before you fold this up. And you just heard the sound change. So I'm going to go ahead and stop it. But I am going to keep the control right there, because as I fold this up, I might find it needs a little more air taken out. So it just folds once. But this is the point where I'm like, yeah, we need to deflate some more. Now this billowing here is just the mattress stuff. You just push this bar down with your hand, and that locks it down. And hit stop. Gently place the control on the floor in between the seat belts. And as we fold this up, we'll need to position the seat belts so that they're usable. This is helpful if you have a child who can do this. They can go back there and just put them together. I'm going to have to pause the video. Okay, so the seat belts are pulled out, and they're buckled together, and you can see that they're not in the way of the wiring. And I always leave the straps out like this so that I can keep them from getting fed back into the couch as I fold this up. So I have one hand here, one hand on the camera, one hand putting the mattress in. And the seat belts are available if anybody needs them right under the cushions, so you're ready to go.